Pull it. Pull it. Oh, not that. Just pull the sheet. Pull the purple thing.
The clamp's gonna...
Pull it down.
What's it?
It's your own little kitchen.
Oh,
It is. It's all for Brody. There's your own little refrigerator and your sink and your stove.
we need the food.
We do need.
You'll have to borrow some of Mama's. Or maybe we can ask Santa for
Should
some.
we ask Santa for some food?
Oh, these are food.
Those are food? Okay.
You can eat them.
Are you putting them in the fridge?
That's the fly.
That is our slide.
That's my flame.
Good job, bud.
I don't have anything for you.
Good. And look, bud. You have an oven. You can put stuff in the oven.
No, I want to.
Okay, you put it in the oven. And you can put some in the microwave on the other side.
I can't go down. That's too rich.
It doesn't have to go that far back. Just set it in the... Can't lean on the door though, okay? Because it'll break. Okay?
You get it.
Want me to get it? Is it way back there? There you go. Put it in the microwave now.
I can't put it in.
That's the refrigerator.
So this is the refrigerator.
That is the refrigerator. Good
And
job.
this is the house.
That is the house. Good job. Is that the whole kitchen? And look, this one opens too. This one's the microwave.
This is the.
Yep, that opens too. You can put food in there. Like, there's not, maybe we can ask Santa for some. Okay?
What do you tell Mama?
No, don't. Yes.
What do you tell Mama for making you that, Brody? Mama made that for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get a big hug and kiss?